Well, this is what you call a redneck brake job. Again, fuck the rear brakes. Who needs them? Get yourself a little package of cable joiner, whatever you call it. Put it on the flex line. Add a little bolt for squeezing power. Cut the caliper off. And voila! The best front brakes in the world. Who needs rear brakes out here? Well, I'm sitting in the Legacy. I finally got brakes on her. Got her running good. Stereo works amazing. Let you hear what it sounds like. Oh, cool song. Love it. Boston. Purrs like a kitten. Clutch is good. So, I bet she's fast. 2.5 liter boxer engine. I think they're rated at 155 horsepower. Runs sweet. Just like new. Let's give her some revs. Whoa, luxury power windows at work. Let's try the other one. Oh, cool. This thing is loaded. Oh, rear one works. Cool. Every window works. Why would someone get rid of a car like this? Whoa, cool sound. These things definitely got a raspier sound than the average car. Ooh, wipers work. Horn works, cool. Tilt steering. Oh yeah. Too bad, he's got a rev limiter too. Hi, Wolf. Let's go for a drive. Ooh, let's peel some rubber again. Let's try that again. Here we go. Definitely fast. No power steering. Holy shit. Woohoo! Nice jump. We're having a windstorm here today. Uh-oh. I guess we better see if the washers work. Oh wow, what a car. What a car. I bet you could drive this thing another 10 years. all the rubber. Sure is windy today. Friday, October 19th. Here we go off Sky Hill. Oh! Oh, we got some fresh mud. Serious balls in this baby. Burns the tires every time I hit the gas. Out of the way, buddy! Oh, I love this car. I hate those cars. But that car's faster still. Hey, buddy. This thing sounds cool. I like it. I never had a Legacy before. Well, it's the end of this video, but the Legacy continues. Sweet.